Hello, today I'm going to be preparing shrimp salad, and these are the ingredients I'm using. I have avocado, cucumber, lemon, onion, and tomatoes. I have mayonnaise, salad cream, olive oil, salt, and dry herbs. And then I have here shrimps. I'm using fresh shrimps. So I already have my water boiling. I'll just add in my shrimps. I'll add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to add 3 slices of lemon, and I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Adding lemon to shrimps when cooking give it a wonderful taste. So while my shrimps is on the fire, I'll go ahead to prepare the rest of the ingredients. I'm just going to be slicing mine or cutting mine into cubes. So at this point I'll just wash all my ingredients. I'm using cherry tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes of your choice. And then I'll just transfer it to my bowl. So I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate all of you. And if today is the first time of clicking to this channel, I say you are highly welcome. Thank you for clicking. And do not forget to hit that button that says subscribe, share, comment. So I just finished cutting all my veggies. Like I said before, I'm using cherry tomatoes, but you can use any tomatoes you want to. And at this point, I'm going to check my shrimps. You can see all is perfect, it's well cooked. I'm just going to drain the water, and then I'll allow it to cool down completely before peeling off the skin. So I just allow this to cool down completely. So as you can see, all is cold now. Now just go ahead to peel the skin off. And it is done. I'm going to cut my avocado also. After that, I'll just set it aside. And then I'm going to squeeze 1/2 of a lemon juice. You can also use vinegar if you wish to. So in my cup, I just add my olive oil, salad cream, 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise, salt, lemon juice, and then I'll just cover this and give it a nice shake until all is well mixed. And that's the way I want it. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead to mix my salad. I'll add in the shrimps. And at this point, I'm just going to add my sauce. Now just mix all together until all is well mixed. And at this point, I'll just add in my avocado. Now stir all together and make sure all is well mixed. And then I'll just add a bit of dry herbs. And that is done. I'll just test for salt. And I can see all is perfect. I'm just going to go ahead to serve my salad. So you can have this salad with bread or eat it like that, or serve it as side dish. And I hope you guys like it. Give it a try and comment down below. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a very wonderful weekend. Bye.